Hi, I'm Rainey, and today I want to share how to relax 10 easy ways. With all the hustle and bustle that life brings, it's hard sometimes to take the time to slow down and relax. So that's why I wanted to share with you some of the top ways that you can make sure that you are relaxing each day. So the first way is to take a moment to relax. Now, I know this sounds really simple, but sometimes we forget to do it. And just taking a moment, taking about 3 to 5 deep breaths can do wonders for relaxation and to help us get through the rest of the day. So the next way is to use essential oils. So essential oils can provide so many great therapeutic and emotional benefits, and it can be as easy as just adding it to the diffuser and diffusing it throughout the day when needed. Some of my favorite essential oils to keep on hand are lavender, ylang ylang, wild orange, Roman chamomile, vetiver, cedarwood. So many great essential oils that can help you when you need to relax and unwind or just need a little bit of peace in the middle of the day. So the number 3 way of how to relax and unwind from the day, one of my favorite ways is to take Epsom salt baths. So I add about a cup of Epsom salt into my bath along with whichever essential oil that I want that evening. So sometimes it's lavender, sometimes it's frankincense, but there are so many great benefits to taking this Epsom salt bath. Plus, it's just a great way to help prepare your body for a restful night's sleep. Movement is also another great way to relax, and I know you might think, well, how is that relaxing? Like, working out stresses me out. But if you do something that you love to do, so if it's just going out for a walk with your family or taking a hike, maybe just stretching in the morning, just some sort of movement to kind of help get your body flowing and moving can help reduce stress levels, which also helps you then to relax more throughout the day, and it just helps you kind of be in a better mood as well. So the 5th way is just getting outside. So getting outside in nature, whether that's taking a hike, maybe sitting down with your family in the evening and just relaxing after a long day to kind of unwind. But just getting out in nature and breathing in all of that fresh air helps so much. So number 6 is listening to music. So preferably it would be some soothing music or some calming music, maybe some classical or musical, but any type of music that helps to kind of relax you and helps you unwind from the day is great, but listening to music can help so much. So number 7 is laughter. So laughter is good for the soul. There are so many great quotes about laughter and laughing each day because it does help us to relax and enjoy life a little bit more. So some ways I like to laugh each day is by watching comedies at the end of the day, maybe spending time with family and friends that make you laugh. There are so many different ways to make sure we kind of get our laughter in each day, but it is so important and it does help us to relax and enjoy life a little bit more. So number 8 kind of goes along with number 7, which was laughter. So number 8 is spending time with loved ones. So this can be family or this can be friends, but spending time with people that you love and that are supportive is such a great way to kind of help relax and remind you about what the important things in life really are. Especially, it's so hard the day to day when we are bombarded with all the things that are asking for our attention, and sometimes it's just good to go back to the people that you love and who are there for you to really remember how to enjoy life and to relax and not take everything so seriously. Number 9 is journaling. So this is something that I wish I would have started doing sooner, but just the simple act of taking out a notebook and writing down your thoughts or your feelings, or at the end of the day, just processing through the day helps so much. It helps relax your mind and your body because all the things that are up here can get out on paper and you can help process through it. So it's just a great way to relax and unwind, and also, like I said, process through some emotions that maybe you haven't dealt with or you thought you dealt with. but yet they're coming to the surface. So just so many great things with that. Another quick tip with journaling is if you find yourself at the end of the day having a hard time falling asleep, one thing I like to do is to brain dump. So take everything in my head and write it all down, so that way I can rest easier knowing that I'm not trying to remember all the things. So number 10 is praying or meditating. So this helps to relax us because it helps to remind us that we do not have to do this life alone. And sometimes I think we are too hard on ourselves with trying to get everything done. We think we can do more than we can. So sometimes it's just nice to take a deep breath and to remember to rely on His strength to get us through each and every day. And a little bonus tip I have for you is, along with using essential oils, a great bonus is to do an essential oil massage. So how you do that is you just take a carrier oil and you add your essential oils to that carrier oil or whatever lotion you want to use, and just get a nice massage. So you can go in and get a massage done by a professional and bring whichever essential oils you want to use. So as you can see, there are so many great ways that you can relax each day. So you can switch it up. Some days you could take a bath at the end of the day. Other days you can diffuse oils throughout the day. Other times you could need just a journaling session where you just write everything down that you need to. But whatever way you choose, know that there are ways to help you relax each day, and it is so good for your health to take that time for yourself and to really not be super stressed out all the time, and just take a deep breath and remember that there is so much more to life than just our to-do lists that we need to get done. And if you are a mama, then taking time for yourself is not selfish. And just remember that, because I think sometimes when we do take time to ourselves and then our kids are having a rough time, we blame it on ourselves. It is not your fault, and you are doing the best you can. So I have a free 5-day self-care challenge that you can do if you want. I'll leave a link below, but it is 5 days of self-care and just talking about self-care, along with a 20-page workbook that you get all for free. So like I said, I'll leave that link below. If you liked this and you want to see more, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you are notified when a new video comes on. So I hope you have a great day.